Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kundai Karen Mangana and I'm back again with another video. If you just clicked in, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I make DIY content, Christian lifestyle vlogs and talk shows. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this lovely aliceband. There's a trendy, I made 3 of them, so it has 3 alicebands, so please do watch till the end. And yeah, so for this tutorial I didn't have an aliceband or a headband, right? So I decided to make one from scratch using wire because I didn't have any aliceband to use. But if you do have one, please do use it. Like, trust me, you'll cut yourself a lot of labor. But if you're like me and you really want to make this aliceband but you don't have the aliceband to use, or you don't have boning, you can use wire and you can make it from scratch. So it's so easy to make them, because what you want to create is the shape, the base, right? What you're going to cover. So this is just going to be covered. And yeah, so I used this glittery fabric which I had for the longest time. It's from a dress of mine, and the glitters come off. I mean, guys, you're gonna see when I start working with it how they come off. So yeah, try and get a user-friendly fabric, okay? But it looks lovely, but the glitters do come off a lot. So this is how the shape looks like. So after getting the shape, I'm going to trim it using my cutter. So please forgive me, I'm currently battling a cold. So what happened was I went to church and I didn't have like closed shoes and things like that on, so I got very cold and now I have flu. So yeah, I really brought this on myself. And guys, I would love to say thank you guys for the support that you guys are constantly showing me. I'm truly grateful for the growth. Thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel, for watching my content. It really means a lot that you guys are really there for me. You guys support me. You guys just show me all the love, and I'm honestly grateful. So we are getting it to shape, getting it into that perfect position. So what had happened was I had already gone ahead and stitched the inside of this fabric, which I cut, I cut 6 inches of the fabric, and then I sewed it about 1 inch. So then I turned it out inside out, outside in, inside out. Yeah. Well, that's basically what I did. So now I'm inserting the whole wire inside, and then I'm gonna stuff it in. So the rest of the videos and the rest of the other things, I'm just gonna be using the same fabric which I sewed in, and now I'm just gonna be stuffing it and decorating it in different ways. So you guys have to watch till the end of the video to see how it turns out. Thank you guys for all the support. Thank you guys for all the love. I love you all, and may the good Lord bless you and keep you all. So yeah, signing out. Hope you have a blessed evening.